Potatoes were first cultivated in the Andes Mountains as far back as 3000 BC. They were most likely brought to Europe by a Spanish conquistador named Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada in 1530. But once the tubers arrived on the continent, not everyone saw their appeal. In France, for example, potatoes were considered food fit only for hogs. Enter Antoine Augustin Parmentier. He was fed potatoes while he was imprisoned in Prussia, and despite the unpleasant circumstances, he liked potatoes and saw their potential as a cheap source of food. Thanks to him, potatoes became popular in French cooking, baked, boiled, and fried. Fried potatoes eventually found their way to the American plate via James Hemings. Hemings was a talented chef who was enslaved by Thomas Jefferson. Hemings was taken to Paris, where he was taught traditional French cuisine. When he and Jefferson returned to Virginia, Hemings prepared a version of pommes frites for the menu at Monticello. And since Jefferson was considered a cultural trendsetter, from there, French fries became a popular menu item throughout America.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.